Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Happy 2018 to all of you. The first tip of the year that I have for you is to check the footer of your website and make sure that it is updated from 2017 to 2018. A lot of websites and a lot of themes do this for you automatically, but some do not. My website, made by Divi, does not. I need to just go into the customizer and go to the footer credits. I'm going to change it from 2017 to 2018. And a little bonus, if you want to do the copyright symbol on a Mac, just hold Option G. Option G will get you that little command, that little copyright symbol right there. So check all of your places online wherever you use metadata. I also do it in my podcast for iTunes. You can see right here. I have copyright 2017. I'm going to change that to copyright 2018. Again, Option G will change that. I also check places like Lightroom. You can go to the metadata, edit your metadata preset if you're using copyright on your photos. Wherever you use the copyright symbol 2017, just update it to 2018. It's not so much a legal thing as it is a way to educate people that your work is copyrighted and that you are staying on top of your stuff. My name is Mike Murphy. Happy New Year, and here's to 2018. Cheers.